Hi guys, welcome to another video, Scrapping with Kids. This video is slightly different. I'm going to be mowing the grass with my car. So the grass is actually quite big, quite tall. It's probably up to my waist in some areas. Some areas is higher than that. But I want to show you this tow and mow. So for anyone there that's thinking about cutting the grass and you don't have a tractor, let's see how this little machine does. This particular one is Miller's Falls. It's a 13 horsepower. It's a key start. The only thing with this one is the battery's not charged, so we're just going to pull start it, and we're going to go and cut some we're going to slash some grass. I'll just show you underneath what it looks like. So it's got these like hammers or hammer lookalikes that just come down and they actually mulch the grass. They chop it and then they mulch it. So let's see. We've got an adjuster as well. So with this handle here, you can adjust the height. I've put it all the way as high as I can because the grass is very tall. So I've got my boys here, as you can see, they're climbing the ute. They're enjoying the farm. So yeah, let's start her up and let's see how she performs. Okay, let's start this machine. Not a bad finish at all. This is a poor man's tractor. It actually does a really good job, as you can see. Alright, plenty of more grass to cut. It's roughly 5 acres. Let's make this little machine work. This is the second cut now. What a great invention. Cutting grass with your car. Alright guys, I just thought I'd share this little toy mower that we just purchased. So yeah, if you're thinking about buying one or hiring one, it's actually not bad. As you can see, cuts the grass pretty well. Alright, thank you for watching. Until the next video, bye for now.